When you came in, you already had it all mapped out. You're like, I'm out here, I'm out here, I'm out here.
Yeah.
And I said, I got you.
I knew right away.
Like, you did half my job before we didn't even, I loved it.
Well, it's tough sometimes, like you said, you go to other chiros and it's, it's always easier if you guys have the roadmap at least.
Well, especially with if you've had history with chiropractic and you know what works and you know what doesn't, like that's stuff we need to know.
Even my low back's feeling it quite a bit too.
Feeling it lower here too?
Yeah, I guess it'd be a little bit higher. I guess it's more, I don't know.
Like that mid to lower region?
Mid to low, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Take a deep breath in for me. Deep breath in again. Awesome. Come right here first. Awesome. That was a little more stuff too.
Yeah.
And cross arms there. Okay, take a deep breath for me. Yeah, relax there. Okay, that was awesome.
Yeah, that's going to be a cool one.
That one worked out well.
Wow, that's going to be a cool one.
We had to save the loudest one for the video.
Oh, man.
That feel good?
Oh, yeah, that felt unreal.
Deep breath in. And there we go. Love it.
That one wasn't as cool, but that first one was...
Both of them moved. Great. Good. Awesome. There we go. It's part of it though. There we go. Good. Go to the side. There we go. Maybe one more down lower. We tried to get the one face down. There we go. Good.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we like. It's actually moving a ton better. That one's still a little stuck. One more. There we go. Perfect. Good stuff.
Yeah, we had some good movement for the camera today.
That was good stuff.
Some good clicks, some good pops.
That's what we like.